I'm going to show you 50 tips in Capacities to go from starter to pro, so let's jump into it. You can access Capacities on this website after registering with your email. Spaces are the largest units to organize content. You can create new spaces here. Personal content is stored as so-called objects. There are various forms of objects such as tags, images and pages. You can open a new page on the top of the left sidebar. Create blocks, which are the fundamental units of text content in Capacities. Then click the plus logo or simply type enter to create a new block. Mark your text to format it. Make it bold, italic or highlight it, for example. You can turn your paragraph into a heading or make a toggle. If you type square brackets, then you can make a to-do list. If you type a plus in a new block, then you can add an image or create a subpage. If you create a subpage, you can go back to the previous page by clicking the arrow on the top bar. If you add an image, you can change the display style on the top right of the image and also move it to a different position. Of course, you can place two blocks next to each other as well. You can change the background color and do other interesting things. If you click this symbol on the left of a block, new options appear, such as turning your block into a subpage. On the right sidebar, you can share your content, import it or export it into Word or other formats. Click the pin symbol on the top right to make your content appear on the left sidebar for quick access. Click on an object type on the left sidebar to see all the objects of that category. Here you can use the search bar to search for something specific. You can also change the way they are displayed. Daily note. Click on the calendar on today to write a daily note. Some people use it to write down to-dos or to keep a journal. There is also the possibility to integrate content from apps like WhatsApp, which can be useful to maintain a complete daily note. Capacities currently offer the following integrations. You can also define templates for daily routines or other things, but more on that later. Linking. Type @ in your block, you will see the menu appear that allows you to search for any of your content. Select whatever you want and integrate it in your text. This works for every content type, images, pages, PDFs, etc. You can also type in two square brackets to do the same thing. On the bottom of the page view of each content, you will find a section labeled Backlinks, where you can now see all other content that you reused this content in. To get an overview, you can use the graph view. You can open it on the top right. It allows you to explore your network of thoughts visually. Tags. Tags are keywords that you can add to your content. By doing this, you automatically attach your pages, images, etc. to these keywords. When you open a tag, you can get an overview of all attached objects. You can add new object types via the Object Studio. Here you can select from basic content types that are provided. On top, you can create your own custom content types. Type a vertical bar and space to write a quote. Type Command and H to jump to the Daily Notes dashboard. Type it twice to jump to today. Type round brackets and space to create an icon of your choice in front of your block. If you type 3 minuses, a horizontal line will appear. Select blocks of your choice, type Command plus D to duplicate them. You can find the shortcut cheat sheet by clicking on the shortcuts button at the bottom of the left sidebar. To create a template, you can open the settings, go to content type settings, then define templates or edit them on the bottom of an empty page. For pages and custom types, templates can be used by simply clicking on it in the template section on an empty page. On top, you can directly apply a template from all command bars. Type / name of template and select the template you want to use. Template tip. If you have a naming schema for your objects based on a date, for example, you have a weekly meeting, you can use a data syntax in the title. This will be replaced with the current date when applying the template. Embed blocks. To embed a block, open the block menu at the top left, select copy block reference and paste it at the place where you want to link or embed the block. Pasting a link somewhere inside your text will result in a simple link to that block. An embedded block is identical to the original. This means that any edits will occur in all places where this block is used. This concept is called Transclusion. You can jump back to the original context of an embedded block by clicking on the link at the top left, which displays the name of the object the block originates from. If you go to the referenced block in its original context, you will notice the small icon with 2 arrows. This indicates how many times the block is being referenced. If you click on this icon, you get a list of all objects from which the block is being referenced. Clicking on them will lead you to the exact position. You can also use Shift-click to open content in the side panel on the right or use Command-click to open content in a new tab. You can open content in the preview model. In this model, it is still fully editable. You can use the AI assistant to help you with writing by accessing it in the settings. Click the symbol on the bottom left to turn into light mode. The Capacities team is currently working on more task actions that will be released soon, so we can expect more great things in the near future. On docs.capacities.io you can find these tips as well explained in more detail. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.